Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to activate image stabilization on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and now just tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the videos section, and as you can see here, we've got video stabilization option. So as you can see, your device is telling you that it will correct wobbles and instability while recording videos using the rear camera. So if you want to activate this feature, just tap on the switcher on it. And from now on, this option is activated, is applied, so it means that your device will make the videos which you will record while, for example, running or walking, not as shaky as they will be without this option turned on. But if you want to turn it off, nothing easier, just tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, it is turned off, but I highly recommend to leave it like this, to leave it turned on, because it is quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to activate image stabilization in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.